Get started with Kanban. Kanban is one of the most popular agile framework, just like Scrum. And to use Kanban in your projects, you need to follow a structured process that begins with showing your work process visually. So please, let's just quickly watch this.
Kanban is another common agile methodology. It comes from Japan and means visual cards. It is a method that makes the work status very clear to all team members. This technique is especially helpful for complex projects that require a flexible way of managing and prioritizing tasks. By visually showing the workflow on a Kanban board, teams can see the whole project's progress at once, from the first product backlog items to finished tasks. Kanban is utilized globally by professionals in a multitude of industries and has shown its adaptability and efficiency in a digital context. In this module, we will explore the core principles of Kanban, the structure and function of the Kanban board, key practices for implementing Kanban.
It's a pictorial way of running a project where you see everything that is being done and how it is being done in pictures. So to use Kanban in your project, you need to follow a structured process that begins with showing your work process visually, breaking down work into smaller tasks, and using swim lanes efficiently. Here are some steps to help us apply Kanban to improve project management and productivity. So as we can see, to visualize the entire workflow, creating a Kanban board in your first step. The board is a visual display of your project's whole process from beginning to the end. So we can choose a physical board with a sticky note on, or we can use an online application that has a Kanban interface too. Now, and it's going to be based on moving what we are working on to every phase of representation. So for instance, what are the things we need to do? These are the things we need to do. Someone working on the project comes and pick what needs to be done, and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it picks up one and bring up the one to doing, and it means the person has started working on this or on this one. So when you come and look at the Kanban board, you can directly know what is being worked on, and at the end of this phase, the person working on them brings them to the done, and it means 1 and 2 has been done. And we have talked about the definition of done during the Scrum explanation. So what you'll be left with here is 3, 4 and 5, because 2 and 1 has been done. So this is just the categorization of our process, what we are working on according to what is being done. That is what we are doing, what we have done, and what is to be done. So that is our Kanban in a layman's language. So as you can see, use Kanban, try Kanban. What are you doing? Learn about Kanban. Done. Get some sticky notes, get a whiteboard. So it's just the arrangement of work to be done as it is being done or as it progresses. So let's have a swim lane. A swim lane are horizontal lines on your Kanban board that helps categorize tasks into different streams of priorities, such as urgent tasks, specific project features, or work that pertains to different departments or teams. They provide an additional layer of organization that can make managing complex projects more straightforward. So as you can see, these are the swim lanes. These are the swim lanes. You could have another one here, and we are saying January. So November, what do we have into to-do list? Search engine optimization projects. What are we doing now? Press release, blog post, promo video. What have we done? We've done the article, we've done the promo video one. It has been struck off. So this is telling us what was done in January. And right at a glance, we can know what we've done in December, and we can see what we are to do in January. And when we start working on them, we start bringing them into the doing phase, and when we are done with them, we bring them into the done phase and strike them out. So the swim lanes help us recategorize all what needs to be done and how they are being done, all in picture. So you don't need any technical ability. Even a 2-year-old person can come here and read out what he or she can see. So that is how simple Kanban is in picture, to help us know what we are doing, how we are doing it, and how it is going.